We've got a huge challenge coming up ahead in the next sort of 5 to 10 years. We've got a limited supply of water. We're, as a nation, abstracting in many parts of the country quicker than the natural system's replenishing. That's led to an increased cost, and that's going to affect the construction industry. So because of these big drivers, if you like, that we're affected by, there's two really important things that our supply chain could do. Any subcontractor working on our projects can apply the water hierarchy. So that is, first, it's very similar to the waste hierarchy. That's to eliminate use, first and foremost. Then use an alternative source, if possible. So that would be using non-potable water, so not drinking quality water to wash a vehicle. Then you've got the improved efficiency level. So that would be using an efficient hydraulic spinning plate for dust suppression, for example, or low flush toilet urinals in the welfare units. Then the next stage down is reuse. So an example of this would be the reuse of water in a wheel wash, where you've got a recirculation unit. And then recycle. That would be an example of recycling on a construction site. Would be the recycling of grey waters to reuse within the welfare unit, or if you were collecting water from hydrodemolition that you could then treat and use for dust suppression. So recycling water from one use to use for something else. And then lastly, at the bottom of the water hierarchy, you've got dispose. And that means that if you've got any excess water, to dispose of it legally, responsibly, not causing any pollution. So that would be in line with any permits, licenses and consents we had. From a supply chain point of view, from the supplier's side, they can help us with innovative products to use less water. If they've got any ideas, any water-saving processes or products, then come to us. We run an annual Supply Chain Green Solution Award, where we encourage anything that helps us on our journey to deep green.